Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, I'm bringing you breaking news on Layer 1 coin price skyrocketing. Yesterday, I did a video and I show you how the Layer 1 protocols coin prices will shock you. And between yesterday and today, I want to show you the difference in the shooting up of the prices. And that will give you a glimpse into the potential of what the Ultron coin holds for us. So that if you can make a decision to get more Ultron coins, better for you and I. The advantage or the advantage or the opportunity in crypto is the numbers of the coins you hold. That gives you the advantage, because the number of the coins when the price goes up, that is what makes the difference altogether. So I want to just show you the difference between the video I did yesterday and the position of the same coins and their prices today. So let's just get inside quickly and then let us update ourselves. So yesterday we looked at this table and we saw how all these coins were listed at these initial offer prices, beginning from Ethereum 30 cents, and then Binance or the BNB 20 cents, Solana 20 cents, Avalanche 50 cents, etc., etc. And then we are looking at them today, 22 June, and then we are looking at the prices. Cardano is new, it doesn't change much, so you can, okay, Avalanche has changed a lot, Cardano hasn't moved too much. And so I want to just take you to the table and then we'll compare yesterday's prices to today's prices, and then I'll give you a live feed from CoinMarketCap so that you can see the live prices as they are changing, going up and coming down. So yesterday we saw the prices here, but let's go to the next table. And so here we have again, so we can see it, the June 2022 prices, and then the original prices. So like I'll tell you, the numbers make the difference. So the number of coins you hold for each of these networks, the better for you and the more advantageous, because every price movement you multiply by the number of coins you are holding, and that is going to make the difference in your life. All right, so yesterday was the 18th of July. So we are looking at the prices in the month of July 2022. Yesterday was the 18th. I did a video, and yesterday we saw that the Ethereum price was $1,480. BNB was $261, and then Solana was $41. Avalanche was $23, and then Cardano was 49 cents. Phantom was 28 cents. Harmony was 0.023 cents. And then we see the Ultron also 0.01, because the Decentralized Exchange, I'll bring you a surprise news by the end of this video concerning the Decentralized Exchange. We just had a Zoom meeting with the leaders, and then they have announced that the DEX or the Decentralized Exchange is ready. They are just doing a few testing and troubleshooting, and then in a few days it will be coming out, and then they are insisting that by the time the Decentralized Exchange goes live, this price is going to shoot up to a minimum 0.02. It means the number of coins you will get for each of the staking hubs will halve automatically. So this is the right time for you to go get your coins, and then we see it. So there you see, you can see the prices. So today, the 19th, you can see that the Ethereum has moved from 1,480 to 1,556. It actually got to 1,570, came down to 1,562, and as at the time I started the video presentation, it has come down to 1,556. We'll go to the live feed and then we'll see the difference. Yesterday, Binance or BNB was 261. Today, it is 270. Solana was 41 yesterday. Today is 45. Difference $4. So you can see, if you are holding 100,000 coins, that should tell you that at least this $4 can make a lot of difference. If you multiply by the number of coins you are holding, that should give you a whooping sum. Let's say you are holding 100,000 coins, and then you multiply by 4. That gives you 400,000 cool dollars. And so the numbers are the game changers when it comes to holding crypto. And then Avalanche was $23 yesterday. Today is 25. And then Cardano was 49 cents. Today is 51. As at the time of this video, Phantom was 28 cents. Today is 34. Harmony was 23 cents. Today is 0.26. As a matter of fact, it went to 0.34 at a point in time in the course of the day. And then Ultron is still at the launch price because the decentralized exchange hasn't gone live, so it is still like inside buying. So it has not been open to the open market where demand and supply will determine the price, and then the price will start shooting up because of the value it is bringing on board. So those are the new prices between yesterday and today. Today is the 19th. I hope there will be massive change so that tomorrow and tomorrow next I'll bring you updates. So that's it. And then, so if you want to join, you can follow the link I'll leave in the comment section. You can also join our WhatsApp platform. But I want to take you to the decentralized exchange. That's the coin market capitalization, so that we'll look at the current prices. So we can see these are the prices, and you can see the percentage changes in the course of 7 days. So you can see that within 24 hours, this is the percentage increase for each of them. Within the past 7 days, this is the percentage increase. So you can see from the 1,448 today, as at right now, it is now 1,554. That's Ethereum. And then it has increased in the past 24 hours by 5.5%. That's 48% in the past 7 days. It means for the past 7 days, Ethereum has been increasing. Look at BNB. It is still at the 270 from yesterday's 271. It has increased within the past 24 hours by 5% and 21% in the past 7 days. And then let's look at the other block, layer 1 chains you are looking at. So we can see Cardano is 0.5129, that's 51 cents. It has also been increasing moderately to 8% in the past 24 hours, 19% in the past 7 days. And then Solana, quite slow though, $45 from 41 yesterday. And then it has increased 12% over the past 24 hours, 36% over the past 7 days. Then we can look at others that are not on our table, like Polkadot, which is also appreciating, has increased by 7% in the past 24 hours. And then Polygon is has made massive move in the past 7 days, 68.55%. It has increased by 68%. That's Polygon. So if you have Polygon coins, you can see you would have made a profit of 68% within the past 7 days. And then we can see Avalanche. It has dropped a little bit below the 25, so it's 24.95, and it has also experienced 10% increase in the past 24 hours and 44% in the past 7 days. And then we can move on. We can come down to coin number 53. That's Phantom. Phantom is down here. It came to 55 from 63rd position. Then, so you can see that Phantom is also a little bit down again, 0.3381. It was 0.34. And you can see it has appreciated 22% in the past 24 hours. 22.47% actually, and then 41% in the past 7 days. So you can see that layer 1 blockchains are doing quite well, and then that is why we can hold on to this Ultron Foundation project and get some Ultron coins, ULS coins. Now is the time. I can guarantee you, as I told you, we just did a Zoom call from the leaders, and then they brought us an update on the Mavi marketing program and then the Ultron project, and they said they finished the decentralized exchange. It is actually live on the mainnet, but they are just waiting to test it for a few days. It means it will go public in the next few days, within this week, like the man said. And so likely between this week and beginning next week, our decentralized exchange will go live. And once it goes live, the price is likely to shoot up. It means you cannot get the numbers of the coins again. Like I told you, crypto, the game changer is the number of coins you are holding. The more, the better for you, because the least price movement, the more the coins you have, you can make good money. So try and get some sizable number, appreciable number of the coins now, and then you can hold them, and then you can see what happens if prices go up, and then we can see. So that's it. And then Let's go back to our PowerPoint. So remember to join us. Follow the link in the comment section. Like I said, I'll leave the link if you want to join, and then you join the Mavi marketing plan. You purchase your staking hub right now. Right now, it's like the phase 2 of the private sales because it hasn't gone public. But once the decentralized exchange opens, it means everybody can buy the Ultron coin. That is why the price will start shooting up, and then people are waiting to buy millions of coins, because 1 million coin can qualify you to be a validator, and that is the target of many people. They want to be validators, so they are holding their money ready for the decentralized exchange to launch, and then to buy the coins massively so that they can become validators. That is going to shoot the price up immediately. So it's better to take advantage now and get more coins at the $0.01. That's 1 cent. You get more coins. If it goes to 2 cents, you only get half the number you get now. If it goes to 3 cents, you only get 1/3 the number. So please jump inside and get any number you can get according to your packet, according to your bank account, according to your financial strength. Join our Millionaire Club WhatsApp platform or WhatsApp group, and then let us learn more, get access to more information and more education. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.